Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak fully load the Fire Stick for sports, pay-per-views, free movies, TV shows, and a ton of content. This completely unlocks the Fire Stick, so just follow my tutorial step by step and you'll be able to get the best out of your Fire Stick. So here I am, I have this Fire Stick booted up. I'm connected to the internet and I'm logged into the Amazon account or an account you create with Amazon when you get started with your Fire Stick, okay? So the first thing off the bat, what we have to do is go to the gear icon right there on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Go to My Fire TV and click on that. And as you can see, I have developer options. If you don't have it, don't worry. You're just going to click on About right there. Once you click on About, you'll see that I have my Fire Stick name. What you want to do is click on your name of the device 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need. You're already a developer, but if you're not a developer, it'll say now you are a developer now. Okay, so this is the first vital step we got to do. I'm going to click one back, and I'm going to go back to the main Fire Stick menu once I do that first vital step. After you do that, simply just go to this find, go to the search here, click into that search box, and once there, you can use the Alexa remote or you can type it in. I prefer doing this with the Alexa. Downloader. You're going to search for an application called Downloader. Okay. An orange and white icon that looks like this will pop up. What you want to do is you want to click on that icon. Then you want to click the download button here. It's going to queue it and download the downloader application, okay? And it's going to install it. But once it installs it, let's not open it up yet. We have to do a couple of things. So don't press the open. It'll give you the notification and then just press the home button. Once we do that, we'll come up with something like this. Downloader is installed. What you want to do is you want to go to gear icon again. And now we're going to go to My Fire TV. And you see we have developer options. Now we enable them from the first step. We'll go into here. We'll go install unknown apps. And then you'll see downloader, and we'll turn that to the on position by clicking the middle of our D-pad remote. Click one back when you're done. Click one more back, and then click one more back, and then one more back to go to our main Fire Stick screen, okay? Once you've done that, we'll take another vital step. We'll go to Find, and we'll go to Search. In here, click into the search box and type in IP Vanish. Okay, just exactly like this. It's not too friendly with saying it with the Alexa voice detection. So this one we have to type in. So IP Vanish for us to be able to locate it. Okay, so IP Vanish just like that. Once you type that in, press the search and it will come up with an icon that's white and green. Click on that icon, followed by clicking on the download. Okay, it's going to queue it, download it. 94,000 reviews, 4 stars out of 5. So what a VPN is going to do, it's going to give you access to the unlinked store, full unlimited untethered access. All the updates as internet service provider are now blocking access to the unlinked store. A VPN is going to allow you to do that. Okay, you can run this one account on unlimited devices. So what you're going to do, you're going to scan this barcode here on the screen with your iPhone or Android. You can also go to this link right here or the link in the pinned comment or description. And you're going to be able to log in with your own account. So open the app once you download it. And like I said, you can go here with the barcode or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. And you're going to get your own email and password. So you're going to sign up for an account. You're going to choose a package through this link right here. For the barcode or the link here in pinned comment description, you're going to get 70% off. Now, I want to be very transparent. This costs as a cup of coffee per month. That's how much it costs. It's like a coffee at Starbucks. It's a few dollars a month, and it's going to give you access to unlimited content and full access to unlinked application. Not only that, geo-block content and content that might not be visible to you because it's being blocked by your internet service provider, and full access to the unlinked applications, which have over 60 applications in my unlinked store, always updated every week, every month, always updated, all the best apps for free movies, TV shows, and more. So pause the video if you need to do that. Scan this. Also go to this bit link or in the comment or the pinned description. Okay? Sign up with your email. You're going to get a notification once you're done that verify your account, and then you're going to be able to log in with your email and password. I'm going to log into my account, and you would log in the same way, and then I'll show you the setup to get the unlinked application and all the other apps in unlinked. Okay, so let me log into mine. Pause the video if you need to take care of that now, and then we'll continue showing you how to set up the IPVanish for the unlinked application. Once you log in with your own account, the screen will look like this. Now from here is a very simple process. What you want to do, you want to go to the gear icon right here. Click on that gear icon and select Connect on Android Startup. Click back. Click the little location button right there. Once you click on that location button, go to Countries, scroll all the way until you see United States. And what you want to do there, you want to press the United States icon and say Favorite United States. It's going to put a yellow star on it. Click on it again and say Connect to United States. The screen's going to come up. You're going to press OK on that screen. It's going to flicker, and it's going to be connected to a US server with our IPVanish. There we are. We're now fully safe and connected. So make sure you take advantage of this discount. Through this link, affiliate link, you're going to get up to 60 to 70% off. It's a few bucks a month. It's a lot per month. That's how much it costs. Works on unlimited devices, meaning I can run this on an iPhone, Android, 10 Fire Sticks in my household. So one account covers all that, okay? Once you're done, press the home button. And now we're going to proceed and open up the downloader application. Once you open that up, it'll look like this. What you want to do now, press the OK button. You're going to click up in here, highlighted yellow, click inside of here, and simply put in unlinked .link, okay? Just exactly like that, unlinked.link. Once you put that there, simply press the go button. What's going to happen now, it's going to go to this site. As you can see, I can scroll up and down, left and right, and I'm going to scroll down until I see download APK Android. Once I see that, I'm going to click the middle of the D-pad. What's going to happen now, it's going to pop up and start downloading it. Once it downloads it, it's going to ask me if I'd like to install the APK. So it's going to pop up with a next screen asking for installation. I'm going to press the install button, but please don't press the open button. Press the done button once that's finished, okay? That's it. Now press the delete button here, followed by pressing the delete button again, okay? Once you do that, let's press the home button. Now you can see we have the unlinked application, but we can't open it yet. Let's go to the gear icon again, and let's go to My Fire TV or My Device. Click on that again. And we're going to go to developer options back, install unknown apps, and you see we have unlinked here now. We're going to turn it on now. I'm going to click one back and one more back and one more back and one more back to go to our main menu. Now with our VPN running, we're going to go and click on the unlinked application. Now we're going to be here, and what are we going to do? We're going to click on new library here, and I'm going to put in the code. So the code is Firestick to access the store. Okay, so let's put in Firestick, all lowercase, just like that, and press the next button, but don't press enter the store yet. I'll explain everything in detail. Press next. A screen's going to pop up, and you're going to have a welcome message. Please don't enter the store yet. This might be blurred out on your TV at home. That's fine. But when you're doing this on the Fire Stick, you'll see the screen. I'll show you all the newest updates. Take a picture of this screen and try some of these apps. These are my monthly favorite apps every month that I update on this welcome screen. Okay, I just tell you in this welcome message what's popular, what's hot, and what you should be getting for each section. Okay, once you take a picture of the screen, simply just press the enter button to enter into my store. Let's press the enter button. For presentation purposes, I'm in the Fire Stick Tools section, but you can scroll up and down, left to right to go to all the sections. I have an ad-free movies and TV shows. I have free movies and TV show sections. I have pay-per-view sections. I have sports apps section. I have live events section, live TV section. All it's available here, up and down, left to right. And I even have top apps for the month sections that you can download. All you have to do is scroll up and down, left to right to get those applications. So you would just simply scroll to the application. The process would be the same. For presentation purposes on YouTube, I'm going to be installing these two just to show you how to install apps in this unlinked application, okay? So you select your app, you'd click on it, you would say download, and it would come up like this. And once it downloads, it will pop up with this. You'd have to just press install app, then press the install button, And what would happen? The application would install. If you wanted to install another application, you would just click on it, press the download button. It will pop up with the same screen saying, would you like to view tutorial or install app? All you have to do is press install app and then press the install button, and that application would install. That quick and easy, okay? So there you go. I just installed 2 applications. So feel free to scroll up and down, left to right, to get all these applications. I have over 60 applications in my store, okay? So once you're done that, you can press home and you can go back to the unlinked store at any time, and you can see and install these 2 applications, okay? If I go back here into the IPVanish, you'll see here that I've been connected for 4 minutes. So make sure you get IPVanish to get access to Unlinked, get access to all the updates in Unlinked, and to get those applications. It's a lot per month at Starbucks. That's how much it costs, a few dollars a month, and it gets you access to unlimited apps. It gets you keeps you anonymous, fully streaming anonymously, and it gives you access to unlocked content that might be blocked in your area. Okay, so you can scan that barcode if you haven't taken care of that, or go to this link right here, also in the pinned comment and description, to get you protected and to get you full untethered access to Unlinked. Okay, so press home, and if your VPN is running, you can always enter back into the Unlinked store. If some apps you've installed don't show up here, all you have to do, I'll show you, go to settings and then go to applications right here. And in applications, go to manage installed applications, and then you could launch them by going in here, clicking on the application and launch application, okay? Also, if you go to the main manage install applications menu, you'll see how much space you have. Make sure you don't run out of space. When you install these applications, if some apps don't install, you might run out of space. So choose the ones that you like, play around, and fully load your Fire Stick, okay? So that's that, and that's pretty much how you install these applications. Very easy, fully loaded Fire Stick and Unlinked store, full untethered access with a VPN, okay? So this is how you jailbreak, fully load, whatever you want to call it, but my store is always updated, up to date. I have the best store in the industry. So hopefully this worked. And just a little thought before I sign off here. If in the future I plan to put a PIN code to enter my store, as people have been knocking some of my content off and taking my apps. So what I need you to do, I need you to drop a comment in this video. Drop a comment. What city or town you're from? Maybe what's your favorite food? What's your favorite sports team? Just anything, or just say hi. The reason for this is if I do pin lock, and I'm going to reply in the comments to people, and I'm going to tell you which exact code I have. So I'm going to reply in the comments. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. All I ask for you, girls and boys, or men, women, whatever, kids, whatever, but I'm sure not a lot of kids watch me. But anyways, reply in the comment section below and just tell me hi or whatever you want to say, and I'll reply with the pin code if I ever decide to put one. Very important, just comment below. Also follow me on X, that's also in the description. And also, like I said, share the videos, comment, leave a comment, subscribe, and all that great stuff, okay? So that pretty much wraps it up. And also let me know in the comments what apps are working and which ones don't work, so I can update it, because as a community, your comments matter. So I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for PayPal or money. Just drop a comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have an amazing, beautiful day. Take care.